Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best parallel clamps that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Jorgensen 24-inch parallel clamps. These clamps feature a robust design that offers 1,600 pounds of clamping force, making them ideal for projects that require high strength and precision. The jaws are perfectly parallel and provide even pressure distribution, making them suitable for gluing panels, assembling furniture, and other woodworking tasks. Additionally, the galvanized steel bar ensures longevity by resisting rust and corrosion. The build quality is impressive, with a combination of high-strength polyamide and glass fiber materials for added durability. The ergonomic handle design allows for comfortable use during extended sessions, while the non-marring pressure pads protect delicate surfaces from damage. The clamps also include a reversible head for spreader clamping and a built-in clamp stand for one-handed use. However, at 14.42 pounds, these clamps are heavier than some competitors, which might make them cumbersome for smaller projects. Additionally, their price is not disclosed, making affordability an unknown factor. Overall, the Jorgensen clamps are great for professionals looking for heavy-duty performance, but they may not be the best choice for budget-conscious or casual users. At number 4, we have the Lantis 24-inch heavy-duty parallel clamp set. This set includes 4 clamps, making it a versatile choice for woodworking enthusiasts with multiple projects on the go. Each clamp provides a clamping pressure of 1,000 pounds, ensuring stability and precision during use. The carbon steel construction guarantees durability, making these clamps a reliable option for both professional and DIY applications. The design focuses on ease of use, with comfortable grips that reduce hand fatigue during extended usage. The clamps are also designed to accommodate a wide variety of woodworking tasks, from securing large panels to delicate components. However, at 24.7 pounds for the entire set, these clamps are quite heavy, which might be a downside for portability. While the Lantis clamps excel in strength and versatility, their customer reviews indicate a slightly lower user satisfaction rating compared to other products on this list. These clamps are ideal for users who need multiple clamps for larger projects, but the lack of pricing information and their weight might deter casual users or those with smaller workspaces. Coming in at number 3 is the Wen 24-inch 2,000-pound parallel jaw clamp and spreader set. This is our budget pick, but don't let the price fool you. These clamps pack a punch with an impressive clamping force of up to 2,000 pounds. Designed for tabletops, cabinetry, and fine furniture making, the Wen clamps feature a 4 1/8 inch throat depth and non-marring jaw pads to protect your materials while ensuring an even, secure hold. The ergonomic handle design and rail scale make adjustments quick and repeatable, which is a big plus for efficiency. At just $70.46, this 2-pack is the most affordable option on this list, making it perfect for hobbyists or woodworkers on a budget. The lightweight design at 13.27 pounds adds to the convenience, ensuring it won't weigh you down during long woodworking sessions. On the flip side, the lower price does come with some compromises. The composite resin material, while functional, may not be as durable as the spiel options found in more premium models. Additionally, some users have reported that the clamps can be slightly tricky to adjust under heavy loads. Nevertheless, the Wen clamps offer incredible value for the price and are an excellent choice for entry-level or budget-conscious woodworkers. Finally, at the top of our list and taking the number 1 spot is the Bora 4-piece parallel clamp set. This premium option offers a combination of versatility, strength, and precision that is hard to beat. With a clamping force of 1,100 pounds and a unique cant angle design, these clamps ensure true 90-degree alignment under pressure, making them perfect for professional woodworkers and demanding projects. The set includes 2 18-inch and 2 24-inch clamps, providing flexibility for various project sizes. The padded jaw protectors are removable, ensuring even pressure without damaging materials. The ergonomic handles are easy to grip, making tightening and loosening a breeze. The passive lockjaw feature keeps the clamp in place for vertical applications, adding to its overall convenience. At $149.99, the Bora clamps are the most expensive option on this list, but their high-quality construction and thoughtful design justify the premium price tag. If you're looking for the ultimate parallel clamps that deliver top-notch performance and reliability, the Bora set is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible.